Hi guys, welcome to Girl Got Style. It's me again, Jules Stokes. I'm going to tell you today something that I discovered about, 15 years ago. Writing a wish list. Now I'm going to show you my wish list that I did I can't even remember, that was probably 15 years ago. And a lot of those things have come true. So keep on watching. I'm also going to take some decorations down. I've just found this little bit of tinsel. I am going to keep this up because I love it so much. And I am going to put it around our cardboard cutout because my husband, I think his cardboard cutout deserves that because he's so cool and that really suits him. So keep watching because this is a really good video. This is going to help you, seriously. Oh, I love that. Oh, it's a shame, isn't it? Christmas is over. Oh, we only put a bit of tinsel up. Right, we're going to keep the lights up because I love lights. I would have preferred them to be clear, I think, but my husband didn't want clear ones. But I like that kind of raindrop look. Oh yeah, I'd love to have someone to come and knock the walls out. I'll give you a good demo of this flat. It is a great flat. I woke up this morning thinking, should we just move? But it's a great flat, but it's still going to be too small. But it would be a nice little place in town if it was just more, where it had a little kitchen, sort of, yeah, it was a bit more organised, and the space, because in a little space like this, it needs to be more energy and efficient and space-saving appliances. Oh, that is so cute. That is a bit of a boa. Oh, until next year. We never even used half of this, did we? Oh God, there's baubles here and everything. Oh God, what are you supposed to do with them? I've got loads of old Christmas stuff that I don't really want. I don't know what to do with it. We didn't really use it. Oh, I suppose I could wash it next year and use it actually. Do you know what? I'll wash that next year. I'll get it out. I'll just put it in the bag for now. And then next year, because it's all about the environment, isn't it? I've even kept wrapping paper from ages ago. Oh, look at that wrapping paper though. That was from Primark. Oh, it is too nice to throw out, especially now we know little things. I mean, that would wrap a little sort of, I don't know, a watch. See, I've got to buy a watch now to go with the wrapping paper. I don't think I could iron that, but I could put it under something to get it really flat. I'm feeling good. Start of the new year. I feel like my vision board has really, really helped. Let me grab it. I'm going to find a space in the bedroom to put my vision board. Yeah, I think everybody else's vision board. Well, when I went and had a look at a couple of other people's, I mean, I didn't know everybody was doing vision boards. I've wanted to do one for absolutely ages. That's why I did it. Everyone's got like set goals. So many subscribers, how much money they want to make. Mine's more sort of a lifestyle vision board because I don't really think about things in material and I don't really need approval. I would like to get more subscribers and have more people watching the channel, but at the end of the day, even if there's only a few people watching and they're enjoying it, I'm just having fun. Do you know what I mean? I don't think the way other people are doing vision boards is wrong, but I think it's made me think, what's more important, lifestyle or money? So I think I'm going to have to do a blog about that because I'd like to know what other people think. What is more important, to have a good lifestyle or just have money? Because are they the same thing? I mean, I think money enables you to have stuff, but I've not put that on here at all. I've just put about things that I want, like I want this flat renovated. But I also thought this morning that there's no point worrying about stuff, especially when you think what's going on in the news. There's no point, as long as you're healthy and happy, everything else will fall into place. So you don't really need to worry about stuff. I mean, at the end of the day, it could all be over tomorrow. I'm not being negative, I'm actually being positive, because I'm just thinking you've got to just make sure every single minute that you spend in your life, you have a really, really good time and you just enjoy yourself. Yeah, I've got something that I'm really working towards this year that I still can't tell everybody about. I've got an uphill thing that I've got to do now over the next 8 months, and I don't know if it's possible. I'm literally reaching for the stars. I'm literally like trying to go to space or something. So I don't know, that's why I can't tell you, because I don't want anything that I say or do to scupper my efforts and neg me out. I've got to be so positive. Yeah, I want to show everybody something. I forgot. Basically, on the back of a picture years ago, I wrote down my intentions. It's a bit like a vision board, but it's kind of like, if you are not happy with your life and you're not getting the things you want, write things down on a piece of paper, like 7 things. And I don't know why 7, but I'm sure that it was like 7. And then it doesn't even matter what order you put them in either, by the way, just 7 things that you want, and put it on the back of a picture. Now I did this a long time ago. I'm not sure if I've got the date on here, but I like this picture. I always think, I don't know why, but it looks like me, and I swear to God I think it's me. I'm sure it's me in a previous life, because it's by a painter called Gustav Klimt, and it wasn't here, I don't think, in my lifetime. So I think it was a long time ago, but it's just so weird because it totally looks like me. It freaks my head out. Anyway, that's another story. And I've heard someone else say that they've identified with the painting as well. So I think a lot of people see themselves in paintings. Anyway, so I wrote 7 things down on a back of a picture. I never put the date down, which is really annoying, but I know I did this ages ago. Right, the first thing I put: become a famous actress in films and TV. Well, your dreams never work out the way you think they're going to work out, but I did get in a Bollywood drama, which has been seen all over the world and has been seen by millions. So I kind of got that wish. Become rich, never have to worry about money again. That was number 2. I don't know if I've not made my first million yet, so I've got a ways to go. But that also makes me think about what's more important, lifestyle or money, because I've not got £1 million in the bank yet, but I've got a nice lifestyle. It's not perfect, but yeah, lifestyle or money. So I feel like a rich person. Have a husband who loves me and doesn't let me down. Well, my husband's amazing. So I wrote that back. That's actually my number 1 thing, because I swapped the order. I wrote them down and then swapped the order. So I put number 1 there, if you can see. Have a husband who never lets me down. That was my first thing. And I'm just married to the most wonderful man. So that came true. So far, 3 things out of 3 things. Even though, like I say about the number 2 being rich, I think lifestyle-wise, I think I'm a very rich person. I think I'm very, very lucky. I live in London. I've got the most beautiful husband. What more could you want? Oh, have a child. That was number 4. Well, unfortunately, but I put that down as number 6. So that isn't my priority anyway. Because you think that would be a higher number. I did it in the 4th, but then decided to call it number 6. And nearly got a child. We nearly got a child. It didn't work to plan. Yeah, shit happens. Sorry, I shouldn't swear. Sorry, I'm trying not to swear, but you know, I'm trying to make light of it. Make CDs and music which are successful. Well, we've made loads of music and I love the music we've made, and we do need to make it more successful. It's down to myself and my husband. We need to advertise. I do like a lot of the stuff we've made. There's some tunes we haven't even put out yet, and we need to make more. I think we need to make a lot more. So that's number 5. So we're halfway there. I think we're getting there. I mean, it's good music, so in itself, the fact that it's good and it's credible is a success in my opinion. Have your own production company. Well, we set up a company called Whatever Media, and we've set up a record company, Electric Dollar Music, and there's a lot I want to do. And then I set up a TV school, tvdramaschool.com, but they're all in the very primitive stages, and I feel like I'm spreading myself a bit thin, but I kind of want to do everything. I want to do everything, so I don't know, but that is number 7. It was number 6, and then I put it to number 7. Number 7, but I've made this number 2. So I wrote it down the 7th order, but yeah, I swapped the order. Have peace and happiness. Have peace and happiness, peace and happiness. Happiness is so underrated. People don't even think about it. When they think of what they want, they just think money, 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 money. They just think holidays, material things, new shoes, new trainers. Happiness. That is my number 2 on here because it was number after my husband. And I've got, so actually that list that I wrote, I don't know what was happening at the time, but I obviously wasn't getting the things that I wanted to even do this list. And I think I've got sort of most of them, except for I've not got a child. But there's still time. We need to sell our music and make it more successful. But we've got everything else. So. Oh, I got style. You got style. Girl got style.